What up, everyone? I'm here to talk about the self-publishing blueprint and how I've gained success by following everything that's in the course within this book. Um, when I first started, when I first joined, I was at $300 a month. I just hit 300. Um, wasn't doing very well. I didn't know how to go to the next level. I was struggling. I got the book, I got the course, and no word of a lie. 2 months later, I hit 1,000. 2 months after that, I hit 3,500. That's where I'm at right now today. And this book goes into detail about how to find a niche that's profitable, how to find keywords that you're going to base your books on that are profitable, how you're going to get the cover designed, where to find the writers, everything. Everything that you need to take your book or your publishing business to a level of success, it's all in here. Nothing's missing, no missing pieces. You get the whole deal right here in this book. If you're new to self-publishing, you're considering it, if you're already a self-publisher, struggling, not sure how to, release more successful books, this is for you. Don't hesitate, take action, grab a copy, make it happen.